Hey guys, so it's Keoshia and I'm back with another Vlogtober video. So today, as you can tell from the title, I am here to give you guys an updated wash day routine. So in this video, I'm probably about 6 months post relaxer or corrective relaxer, and I haven't washed my hair in like 2 weeks. So yeah, we got a lot of work to do. So right here, I am currently putting in my homemade pre-poo. You guys have seen it before. My sister makes it for me and I put it in. And I will leave it in my hair for at least 45 minutes, but most of the time it's a couple of hours. You guys know how I do. And once that is done, we will come back and we will wash it out. All right, you guys, so it's been about 2 hours and now I am back washing out my deep conditioner. I love to make sure I wash it all out before I proceed with washing my hair. All right, now that that's done, we are going to wash our hair twice with the Afro Deep Moisture Shampoo. You guys are not new here. You know I love my Afro products. They work so good and keep my hair nice and healthy and make sure that my pH and all my moisture and protein and everything is balanced. And they're just overall great products. All right, so now we're going to condition with the Macadamia Natural Oil Deep Moisture Mask. I have been seeing this for a while and I've been wanting to try it for the longest, but it's very expensive. Y'all know how I feel about expensive stuff. But I wanted to try it and I saw it in TJ Maxx on sale, on clearance. So I did pick me up a bottle just to see how I like it. So we're going to put that all through our hair and probably wait about 7 to 10 minutes before we wash it out. Now that we're done washing and conditioning our hair, now we are about to t-shirt dry. But first I wanted to show you guys my texture. Like I said, I relaxed my hair in January. It didn't take very well, so I did a corrective relaxer in April to kind of help tame my different textures because I am texlaxed and I love to t-shirt dry. It just helps pull a lot of the water out of my hair and makes it more manageable to comb without breakage when I'm getting ready to detangle and proceed with my wash day. Alright, so you guys know I love to manage my hair in sections. It makes everything just so much easier. So I am sectioning off my hair into 4 parts before I start blow drying. And the first thing we do before we blow dry is put in our leave-in. So you guys know I love the keratin and green tea reconstructurizer. I love my Afro Pro vitamin leave-in. And lastly, I love to coat my hair with, I call it heat protection, the Chi Silk Infusion, before I proceed using heat on my hair. So here I am using my tried and true John Frieda 1875 watt blow dryer. Got this at Target. It's a very good price point, works very well. It's between $39 and $49. I also have a Dyson that was gifted to me, and I love it just as much, and just depends on which one I pick up, which one I use. They both work exactly the same, so based on your price point you can pick up either or. So I am just going to finish detangling, putting in my leave-ins, brushing out the tangles, and then blow drying each section. Alright, my little shadow came to visit me while I was doing my hair and say hi to you guys. And so here I am blasting my hair with cool air. This just finishes off the look. It helps seal everything in and seal in all the moisture and close your cuticles for styling. Alright you guys, now that we're all done blow drying, I'm sectioning my hair once again because we love the section around here, and I am going to get ready to flat iron my hair. You guys know I rarely use heat on my hair. I think this is like maybe the second or third time I've used heat this year. I just don't care about having nice sleek hair. I'm more concerned about health. So this is what it looks like, just blow dried. It's nice and healthy and shiny and full, and I am loving it. And I'm just showing you guys a little bit of a length check. You know, I cut my hair and it's pretty much almost back to bra strap length. Here's my trusty flat iron that I've been using for years. It's so funny, my daughter actually talked about me. She's like, you had this flat iron for years. I'm like, girl, it's a good flat iron. When you get a good flat iron, you don't need to buy more than one. And I'm showing you the back. So I am experiment with trying to curl my hair with a flat iron. I'm pretty good at it the first day, but I can't get the curls to stay the next day. So I'm either not doing it tight enough, not putting the right setting spray, who knows, child. I just be trying. But you're just gonna hear me struggle bust through trying to curl my hair with the flat iron. So enjoy. Alright you guys, at this point we are through trying to curl our hair with a flat iron. It turned out decent, not the best, but decent. And let me tell you something, my arms were killing me. Trying to curl your hair with a flat iron, you need real strong arms, because that was not for the faint of heart. But anyway, I am giving you guys pretty much a turn of what my hair is looking like. You'll see some pieces are curled more than others. It's just because I'm not good at it yet. We're still practicing here. So don't talk about me, don't talk about me. But this is the final product. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos from me. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.